Hello, my name is Naomi, and in today's video, I'll talk about SQL database. So, SQL stands for Structured Query Database Language, and another name for SQL database is Relational Database. So, in the past decade, the relational or SQL database was nearly cast aside because of the growing amounts of data that needed more storage, processing, and analysis. However, the SQL databases continued to dominate, but it is important to note that the NoSQL databases are also having a significant part of the market. In my opinion, SQL databases will not eventually become extinct because, just like the name suggests, the SQL is structured and it follows a certain pattern to perform its operations. And the advantage of this structure is that migrating the SQL databases becomes easier and less complex than databases that do not have a defined structure. So some of the examples of the SQL databases include MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL, and Oracle. In the near future, most of the SQL databases will contribute something to its existence. For instance, PostgreSQL is compatible with other databases, hence it will be used with, or it can be used with other major platforms such as Windows, Mac, and Solaris, and it can also be used with other programming languages such as Ruby, Python, and PHP. So it will be easier to combine PostgreSQL with other platforms. The SQL database like MongoDB, it's more secure compared to other forms of data storage, and SQL can receive automated instructions. So for instance, MySQL can be programmed to perform certain functions automatically based on the events. This is because the MySQL has inbuilt support on the server for stored procedures, indexes, and triggers. SQL products such as the Microsoft SQL and Oracle have the ISO and the ANSI standards. These are international standards which are recognized internationally, like to use the databases. And it's also important to note that most of these SQL types of databases, the MySQL, the MongoDB, all those, it's important to note that they're easier to use. So like if a company has new workforce, it will be easier to retain the SQL database compared to trying to train employees other new languages that are hard to learn. And that's all for now. Thank you.